Rheem 240V heating chamber RTEX 13 residential tankless water heater. The simple and understated design of this Rheem tankless water heater is just getting us started. The auto-dial thermometer with digital LED display lets you accurately set the temperature of your hot water within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. The copper immersion heating element and self-modulating power control are the best in its class. Simple wall mount installation provides continuous hot water until you shut the water heater off. Offering 99.8 energy efficiency with a high output of consistent temperature-controlled hot water flow, the Rheem RTEX 13 residential tankless water heater can run 2 standard shower heads, 1 to 2 shower heads and the dishwasher, or 2 shower heads, the dishwasher, and a hand-washing sink simultaneously, depending on your home's inlet temperature. Did we mention that this Rheem tankless water heater can do all that volume at 2 gallons per minute with temperature ranges from 80 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit? The wall-mounted system weighs almost 4 pounds. Measuring 4 inches by 9 inches by 13 inches, the RTX 13 uses a standard 240V 13 kilowatts and pulls an average of 3.17 gallons per minute. 2 half-inch NPT adapters are included for easy installation, and the RTEX 13 comes with a fantastic 5-year no-leak, 1-year parts warranty. Now for a few pros. Amazing 5-year no-leak, 1-year parts warranty. Accurate plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit temperature control system. Quality copper immersion heating element. Now for a few cons. Works best with warmer groundwater inlet temperature. Temperature to water flow ratio issues, and a short lifespan.